So this is what the courier dropped off one day. Do a little unpacking. So people were pestering me about me cutting stuff indoors with an angle grinder. So this is the solution for this problem. And the kind people in Evolution Power Tools sent me this awesome thing, which I have to learn how to use. Oh yeah, here we go. So this is for mild steel only. The blade that is in here. Hearing and eye protection. So let's try it out. Looks awesome. This is awesome. This might be my new favorite tool. So I thought I'm gonna check out what it can do by putting this 90mm round stock here. Let's see if we can take a piece off of here. It took me quite a while cutting this with an angle grinder, although I used the big angle grinder. This is going to be interesting. It is 90mm in diameter. I'm really interested in this outcome. So I'm gonna make a real life cut. I'm not gonna edit this part in computer, so. So I didn't cut it through. I was afraid that it will wedge itself in between the slot there and the cutting blade. Let's take a closer look. It was really fast too. Nice. So this is all from cutting this 90mm piece. I'm gonna go and empty this out so I can put this saw away. So I'm glad I got to try it out and I get to use it in the future. I will set it up in the new shop, the rebuild shop in the future. One thing I really like about it is look how tiny it is. It is like really small in depth. So I can put it like near a wall and it doesn't take too much space away. I don't have that much room in here and I want to put other machines in there too. So what can I say? I really like it. And when I buy other blades for other types of metals, I think this saw will be better than a bandsaw, but that's only my opinion. This is Evolution EVOSAW355, and one of those blades in there is equivalent to 20 abrasive discs. At least that's what it says on this sticker there. I will be cutting material on this thing in the future. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.